Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Just in case you guys didn't know, I am a huge nerd and I'm a big fan of Star Wars. And I think the Star Wars fans are really going to like this one. So for today's unboxing, I've got the Star Wars Black Series Captain Cardinal helmet. Now the big reason why I bought this thing was because my background, I want to make like a whole red themed wall with a bunch of things that represent me, but in the color red because that's my favorite color. Now I got this idea from another YouTuber who does a lot of tech videos, and his name is Carl Conrad. His favorite color is orange, and he made like a whole orange wall with a bunch of stuff that he likes, and that gave me this idea to start a whole wall themed with red things. And like I said, I'm a big fan of Star Wars, so I picked this guy up. It was on clearance at Toys R Us in Canada for about $110. I think the regular price was like $160, so it was definitely a good deal. Now this is based off of the character Captain Cardinal, who is a First Order Stormtrooper. He's really high in rank, and he actually trains a lot of troops, and he's actually trained Captain Phasma as well. Unfortunately, he hasn't been in any video games or movies, but he has been introduced in a book, and I'm really hoping that we see him in a movie soon. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this really awesome red Stormtrooper helmet. Alright, so here's the box. Not really much to it. You can just see it says Captain Cardinal right there, and then a picture of the red Stormtrooper helmet, Star Wars logo, and a Captain Cardinal image, and a Star Wars Galaxy's Edge sticker, and it says it was transported right from there, which is pretty cool. It does look like this helmet has some sounds, which is going to be pretty cool, and I can't wait to test that out. Then here's the side, then here is the back, and there's the other side. This just looks so cool. I can't wait to take it out of the box. There's the top, and there's the bottom. Not really much to it. I gotta say, this is a pretty cool looking box though, so I'll definitely be keeping this. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so I got my knife over here. Let's go ahead and do this. I just really wish that this guy, you know, gets the opportunity to be in a movie, because you know, having a Ferrari red Stormtrooper is just super cool, and I definitely think it needs to be seen on the big screen. So, come on, open this bad boy up. Oh my god, cherry red Ferrari. Come on. Oh baby. Get some instruction manuals and paperwork and stuff that I will not be reading. And here we go. I can't wait to put this on a shelf and never play with it and just look at it once in a while if I can get it open. Oh, this is sick. Yo, look at that. That is sick. Black and red, this thing looks awesome. Just like a cherry red Stormtrooper. It is like an actual helmet, so you can wear it. Like, let me just put it on here. This is sick. I don't really know if it's on straight or not, but yeah, this was well worth the money. Now this is a Star Wars Black Series collectible, which basically means it's going to be a really premium form of Star Wars collectibles. And you can definitely feel it with this. Like, this isn't some cheap plastic. This is a very premium Stormtrooper helmet, and it just looks really cool because not that many people even know who Captain Cardinal is. But just look at all of the detail on the actual helmet itself. You can see through this visor as well. Like, when I put it on, I can see on the camera still. It is a little bit distorted though. I think the lens kind of bends right around the middle. Now you can't open it up or anything, like open it up like this and put your head in and then close it. And there is adjustable straps inside too to fit your head shape. But yeah, this is a really cool helmet. Now inside of the other instruction manual, you get little tips and tricks on how to actually put it on and make it fit really well. Me, I'm not really going to wear this thing ever, so I'm probably not going to read that. It's just going to go on my display shelf. But if you're someone who's maybe like a cosplayer or something, then maybe you want to read this. And I think this would make for a very cool cosplay because, like I said, this is the only red Stormtrooper, and it really stands out, and I definitely want to see someone wearing that when I go to the Toronto Comic-Con in October. Really cool character. So you just pull this part off if you want to put the batteries in and make all the sound effects. And by taking that red piece off, there's a little battery compartment right there. You need 3 AA batteries. Okay, so the batteries are in it now. Let's go ahead and see what sounds Captain Cardinal makes. It sounds like he's like slipping on a banana peel and then just falling and hitting the ground or something. Tell me I'm not the only one who gets that. Look, slip, falls, and hits his head. I don't know, that's kind of disappointing to be honest. I was expecting a lot more for actual sounds, but I guess that's it. It looks cool, that's all that I wanted from this. I'm not really that disappointed about the sound effects, but it would have been nice to actually get maybe some dialogue or some actual sounds that are cool. That was kind of disappointing, but whatever. I might take the batteries out and put in my Swiffer. I think it's going to be of better use there. But yeah, that's the sound effects that Captain Cardinal makes. So I think this is where I'm going to be putting the helmet for now. I'm going to be making like a red themed shelf. So you can see I've got like the Captain Cardinal helmet, the YouTube subscribe button pillow, the red PS4 controller, my red iPad Pro. I mean, technically it's not actually red, it's just the wallpaper on the box art, but whatever. Then I've got a red Corvette, and then I have a Beats pill over here that I'm planning on integrating into this shelf. But that's what the red shelf is looking like so far. Or I might even put it into my helmet shelf, so I've got like Iron Man and Star-Lord. Then I just have a Hulkbuster on the top and then an empty spot on the bottom, but I think it looks better on the red shelf. Leave a comment down below of which spot you think I should put it in, but I'm really liking this helmet. It's definitely a standout piece. So yeah, that's it for the Captain Cardinal Star Wars Black Series helmet unboxing and review. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you like and subscribe. I've got a few more red theme things to open. I've got a few more products that are red that I'm going to be unboxing on the channel, so make sure you guys don't miss out on those videos. Here's a quick little sneak peek for tomorrow's video. Yes, I'm pretty excited for that one. Leave a comment down below of what you guys think about the Captain Cardinal helmet, and do you want him to make an appearance in a live-action movie? Because I definitely do. Like, I did a bit of research on the character before I actually bought the helmet, and this is a really cool character, and I really want to see him on the big screen sometime soon. But anyways, that's the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.